Roel Tolentino is a celebrity, actually. He's a celebrity doctor. And for some, I guess...
Hindi sila pumapalakpak, hindi naniniwala.
Palakpak daw po. He's a celebrity doctor, and this is his second time in PDIC. So he was also one of our resource speakers in the National Women's Month celebration last March. So again, we invited him, and we are so grateful that he accepted our invitation to be part of the 18-day celebration to end violence against women. So I won't delay his talk, no? Pero I'm so curious, Doc. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng FPCS? I guess Fellow
Philippine College of Surgeons.
Philippine College of Surgeons. Fellow Philippine
Society of General Surgeons.
Philippine Society of General Surgeons. FSOSP.
Surgical Oncology Society of the Philippines.
Okay. FPSO.
Philippine Society of Oncology.
Okay. FMOSP.
Molecular Oncology Society of the Philippines.
And the last is FAC.
American College of Surgeons.
Oh my God. So, that speaks for itself, diba? So, he is a general surgery expert. He's a surgical oncology. He's also a surgery professor level 4. He's also a businessman, he's also a business, leadership, health, and personality coach. In fact, he has taken a lot of coaching trainings and seminars. And certified coach na rin si Doc. So, sabi ko, ang dami yata, di ba? Ito palang isa na fellow, mahaba-habang aralin na yon, di ba? Pero magkaroon ka ng ilang fellowship programs yan, no? So, I guess, without further ado, may I call him Dr. Roel S. Tolentino.